Exploring SecurTrac, Intrusion Detection Monitor Overview. In the Intrusion Detection Monitor view of the SecurTrac configuration database, at a glance, quickly understand which intrusion detection monitor documents have been created and identify which ones are active. Step 1 on the Basics tab of the Intrusion Detection Monitor, specify whether or not this particular Intrusion Detection Monitor document applies to all servers in the domain, or specify the servers where the monitor should be enabled. Important note, SecurTrac must be installed and running on all specified servers. SecurTrac cannot monitor activity on a server where SecurTrac is not running. In Step 2a, by default, SecurTrac will log all events, regardless of monitor type, into a centralized database called sctlog.nsf. If for a particular monitor, logged events should be isolated into a separate log database, SecurTrac can accommodate that requirement. In Step 2b, by default and regardless of monitor type, SecurTrac will log all events into a log database on the same server where the event occurred. If there's a preference to store all logged events onto a centralized specified server, SecurTrac can also accommodate that requirement. In Step 3, if multiple monitors exist that ultimately in the end will detect the same event, SecurTrac will by default log a single entry into the sctlog.nsf database. This is the recommended setting. There are, however, some industries that require multiple logs when more than one monitor detects the same event. In those cases, the multiple log entries would be selected. If a monitor has been active and it's later decided that the monitor has to be temporarily disabled without affecting other active monitors, select Disable this intrusion detection monitor. Leverage the intrusion detection monitor feature of SecurTrac to detect when, for example, a database has been deleted, or someone is continuously trying to open databases of which they are not listed in the ACL, or potentially when the use of full access administration has been activated. To detect these types of activities, SecurTrac will monitor the Domino server console to look for keywords that are related to a particular event. On the Monitor tab in Step 1, select the intrusion detection event to monitor. Choose from a list of predefined events or specify a custom event to monitor. In this example, SecurTrac has been configured to detect when full access administration is used. The keywords associated with that event are also shown. The wildcard asterisk represents the username. When SecurTrac matches the keywords on the server console or miscellaneous events view of log.nsf, the potential intrusion event will be detected by SecurTrac. Next, in Step 2, with SecurTrac's real-time notification feature, which can be customized and previewed, it will alert someone immediately when the specified intrusion detection event has been detected. Next, in Step 3, if needed, enable the SecurTrac bulk action detection feature, for example, to detect when a user repeatedly performs a potential intrusion-related event. With SecurTrac's real-time notification feature, it will alert someone immediately about the possibly suspicious activity so that the situation can be investigated. Each intrusion detection monitor includes the ability to schedule activity summary reports. Simply select the Report tab. Step 1. Reports can be scheduled to run on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Configure the schedule to best suit your reporting requirements. SecurTrac's real-time notification feature, which can be customized and previewed, will alert someone immediately when the summary report is available. To prevent scheduled reports from running, select Disable Sending Report. Reports can be run manually as well by clicking on the Run Report Now action button. Now let's take a look at a sample intrusion detection monitor log. In this sample intrusion detection monitor log, use of full access administration was detected. The action details section logged the following important information: the date and time of the event, the intrusion detection event type, specific details about the event including the username who initiated the event. There's a link to the SecurTrac intrusion detection monitor log that triggered the event, and a link to the document in log.nsf where the action details were obtained. We hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. To learn more about our products, please visit our website for more product information and additional tutorials. Visit us at www.extracomm.com.